to my channel. I'm ReyRey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today I have a photo shoot to go to, so I thought that, you know, like I will film myself getting ready, and I have a bunch of like new makeup, so this is pretty much gonna be a get ready with me first impressions video. I've already done my eyebrows and I have some lip gloss on because my lips were looking hella crusty earlier and you definitely don't want to film that. Yeah, I have to be there in less than an hour, so I'm pretty much already running late. Let's get right into it. So since I've already done my eyebrows, we're gonna move on to the e.l.f. Poreless face primer. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit all over my face. Oh my god, so soft. I'm gonna move on to foundation, and the foundation that I'm using right now is from Covergirl, from the new collection, the full spectrum collection, Matte Ambition shade 310. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna apply a little bit using this flat brush there. And by the way, I tried it before. This isn't full coverage, I would say medium, but you can add some more layer in order for you to, you know, have like sort of like full coverage, because last time I tried, I could see like my dark spots peeking through and stuff. So, and I honestly love how it feels on the face. Like, it's matte. I wouldn't say matte to the point where you can't even feel like your face bleed. I'm gonna blend with this beauty blender, beauty sponge. And make sure you apply some on your neck. See, you can still see like the dark spots, so I'm just gonna add just a little bit more on the areas. Just lightly. There. So next I'm gonna use the concealer from Covergirl, and this is from their full spectrum collection as well, and the number is 270, but I'm gonna list everything down below anyways as usual. Same concealer but darker shade, 400. And now let's move on to the fun part, which is blending. So I'm gonna blend the contour first. It's like, it's so easy to blend. I love this. Oh my god. And now that I'm done blending, oh my god, it looks so good. I'm gonna move on to the Beauty Bakerie Flower Better Not Bitter, and this is what it looks like. So cute. I love this brand. I've been, you know, hearing like people talk about it, and I'm so glad that I got like a few of their products. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit. No wonder everybody talks about this baking powder. Oh my god, it looks so good. Now that I'm pretty much done baking, I'm gonna use the full spectrum Covergirl again face powder. I mean, it's a face powder, but I'm gonna use it as a contour. This is Deep Cool 360, so this is the one right here. And by the way, you guys, I've been very much into skincare lately. I'm telling y'all, when you take care of your skin and your skin looks amazing, then your makeup looks even better. And oh my god, my face 2 weeks or about a month ago wasn't really that, and now I don't miss a day. I'm sorry guys, I'm not talking too much because I'm in the rush and I'm running like super late. But what I'm gonna use next is the cheek palette from Covergirl. I have a lot of product from Covergirl, you guys, sorry. This is their cheek palette. And by the way, I'm gonna do a sort of like bronze makeup. So I think I'm gonna mix this too. I'm just gonna spray my face using this Outlast Active from Covergirl again. So this is what I came up with, and I'm gonna show you what I used. The bronze palette, the coffee and cocoa palette from Bakerie. So this is it right here. That's the palette that I use for my whole eye. So let's get right into it. Like this as a transition color. So I use the Deja Vu as a transition color. So now I'm gonna move on to your grounded for the cut crease. Oh my god, it's so hard to do your makeup and talk at the same time. Which is antidepressant. It's honestly crazy that you can barely see it on the camera, but they look so pigmented here. So I'm just gonna add it on the outer V of my eye and push it a little bit up with this and drag it. Blend everything so there's no harsh line. Eyeliner. I mean, I like this liner, but I don't like the fact that, you know, the tip moving. I like when it's usually like really stiff. It doesn't move at all because that's how you easily make mistakes. I wanted to use this one, but the wand is a little bit too big for me. I don't like when the wand is like this huge. So I'm gonna use this one, and this is the Lash Blast Active from Covergirl too. Use this color for my bottom lash line. Oh, I love this color. The mascara on my bottom lash. Use this black eyeliner, the defining moment. Okay, I'm done applying my lashes, so now I'm gonna move to the lips. This is a random lip liner I found in my bathroom, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this liquid matte lipstick from Bakerie, and this is Syruptitious Lip Whip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Click on that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.